Last type of binomial distribution, that is mean and variance of theoretical value. First of all, we know that mean of binomial distribution is NP, that is theoretical. Theoretical mean is equal to NP. Variance is equal to NPQ. Actual mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. Variance sigma fx upon n, sigma fx upon n whole square. Now, first example, 8 coins are tossed simultaneously for 256 times and the distribution of number of head obtained is given below. Find mean and standard deviation of distribution, compare with their theoretical value. First of all, we have to find out theoretical value, that is mean and standard deviation. Mean is equal to NP. Here n is equal to 8 coins are given. P is equal to probability of head, that is 1 by 2. So Q is equal to also 1 by 2. 8 multiplied by 1 by 2, that is 4. Same way, variance NPQ, 8 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, that is 2. Now actual. Number of head, that is x. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Any frequency, that is fx, that is f. So frequency, that means f. 2, 6, 30, 2, 6, 30, 52, 67, 52, 67, 56, 32, 10, 56, 32, 10 and 1. Total of this is 256 because 8 coin 256 વખત ઉછાળે. Now fx 0, 6, 3 multiplied by 2, 60, 52 multiplied by 3, 156, 67 multiplied by 4, 268, 56 multiplied by 5, 280, 32 multiplied by 6, 192, 70 and 8. Total of this is n. Total of this is sigma fx. 6 plus 60 plus 156 plus 268 plus 280 plus 192 plus 70 plus 8, 1040. Fx square, that is fx multiplied by x. First column multiplied by third column. 0, 6, 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6, 60 multiplied by 2, that is 120, 156 multiplied by 3, that is 468, 268 multiplied by 4, that is 10460, 280 multiplied by 5, that is 1400, 192 multiplied by 6, that is 1152, 70 multiplied by 7, that is 490, 8 multiplied by 8, that is 64. Total 4760. This is sigma fx square. Now mean, that is x bar, sigma fx upon n. 1040 divided by 256, that is 4.0625. This is your first answer. Variance, that is v of x, that is sigma fx square divided by n, sigma fx upon n whole square. 4760 divided by 256 minus 4.0625 no square. 1650. 4760 divided by 256, 18.59 minus 16.50, that is 2.09. This is theoretical mean and variance. This is this is actual mean and variance, and this is theoretical mean and variance. Next, example number 2. 5 fair dice are thrown simultaneously. 5 fair, that is n is equal to 5. First, theoretical. Mean, n is equal to 5. If an odd number p is equal to odd number on die, that is 3 or 1, 3 or 5, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. So q is equal to also 1 by 2. Mean, np, 8 multiplied by 1 by 2, that is 4. Variance, 5 multiplied by 1 by 2, that is 2.5. Mean, variance, npq, 5 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, 1.25. This is npq. These are the theoretical mean and variance. And standard deviation, that is under root npq, under root 1.25, 1.118. Okay. Now observe mean and variance. Number of odd number, that is x, any frequency 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency 2, 12, 28, 2, 12, 28, 31, 17, 2, 31, 17, 2. Fx 0, 12 multiplied by 1, that is 12. 2 multiplied by 28, that is 56. 3 multiplied by 31, that is 93. 17 multiplied by 4, that is 68. 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. Total 239. Sigma fx, fx square. 0, 12 multiplied by 1, that is 12. 56 multiplied by 2, that is 112. 93 multiplied by 3, that is 279. 68 multiplied by 4, that is 272. 5 multiplied by 10, that is 50. Total 725. Sigma fx square. Mean, x bar sigma fx upon n 239 divided by total of this is 96 because 96 time toss કરવામાં આવે છે. So 96 divided 239 divided by 96, 2.489, that is 2.49. This is x bar. Variance, standard deviation find करवाना. Standard deviation under root sigma fx square divided by n sigma fx upon n whole square. 725 divided by 96 minus 2.49 no square. 725 divided by 96, 7.55 minus 2.49 no square, 6.20 minus 7.55, that is under root of 1.35 and root 1.16. This is standard deviation. So these are the observed value. Standard deviation 1.16, mean 2.49. Theoretical value standard deviation is 1.118 and mean 2.5. Here our syllabus is completed. Thank you.